Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, in case you see me for the first time, my name is Medilock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, in case you've not subscribed yet, you're just new here, maybe this is the first time of watching our videos, or maybe you have been watching our videos before but you've not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Just join this family, just subscribe to our channel and hit the subscribe button. Put on a notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so today we want to talk about wealth. We are in the new year. This is 2022. Yes, and I've told us severally in our videos that it is what you sow spiritually in your life that will determine how much money you will attract, how much favor you will attract in your life in this year 2022. Yes, so guys, if you are seeing this video today, congratulations. Yes, see, I want to tell us something about onions. Yes, onion will surprise you. Onion that you see has a lot of spiritual importance. Yes, but we'll be taking them one after the other, because if we just put all the ideas in one, so people will become confused. Yes, they will not be able to know how to apply it. So see, it is not enough for you to listen to videos or watch videos and listen to what they are saying and just move on. Watching the video and you not doing it is not a guarantee that what you wish will come to pass in your life. You don't just sit down and wish spiritual things to come to pass in your life. You have to do it, however small. Okay? That reminds me, last time somebody, one of my videos, somebody commented and said, Medilock, why do you say we should not pray? And I responded, but I want to respond orally here. Yes, I did not say you should not pray literally. Okay, what I meant is that there are some things when you're doing the right thing, whether you pray or not, that thing must happen. That is what I meant. But it depends on how you grammatize your statement and the context that you are discussing from. So the person just thought that maybe I just say don't pray, as in don't pray. No. How can you not pray? You must pray, because prayer is the key. You understand? So whatever you want to invoke, whatever you want to bring to pass in your life, you must say your intention. And what is intention? Intention is defined as prayers. What you say, the intent of your heart, what you desire. That is what they mean by prayer. Okay, so guys, today, you see, because I use onion for purpose, spiritual purpose, so I don't keep onions purposely, allowing them to dehydrate so that I can get the onion skin. So now, in this particular recipe, we want to learn how to draw money to our lives. The video we uploaded yesterday is about how to draw money to your life, using the market sand. Yes, sand from the marketplace. Any place that is called market, where people buy and sell, however small or big the place is. Try to get any sand from that kind of place. I know some people are living in a modern city. Their stalls are all cemented. tiled interlocks and all that. But if you are really serious, you will still get sand. Yes, this thing are spiritual secret. And when I say when you do certain things, you don't need to pray. It does not mean that you should not pray, but these things, they work with or without prayers. But it is very, very pertinent for you to say your prayer. As in, say what you want to see happen in your life, or that thing that you desire, that thing that you want. You will say it. Once you say these things and you carry out this particular spirituality, move on. Okay? The problem we have with some people is that when you burn a bailiff now, you want to see the money now in your account, and you will lose it. You miss it, because that is not how spirituality works. But when it starts working, the money keeps rolling in. Yes. So now it's not about belly, we are talking about onions. You can use the onion to do a lot of things. A lady sent me her testimony of the video we uploaded last time about how we used onion. She wrote, why is this thing falling down from my hand? See me, see wahala. Wrote the name, her own name, and the name of her loved one, her ex. Yes. And she followed the instruction and she did it. And now her ex came back. I even put the testimony on my WhatsApp status for some people to see. You understand? So anything that you do with onion, it works like fire. Even when you want to strip your enemies naked, you want to strip them of whatever it is that they are holding on to against you. You can use onion to carry out this spiritual something, prayers. So now, this is the onion shell. Yes, this is peel or shell or whatever. This dried shell, it dehydrated and turns into this. Okay, so now I have a whole bunch here. This one is dehydrated. You can see, you can see it. Now what you need to do is to get your charcoal. If you have charcoal fire, you can get your charcoal fire, put it in a safe ceramic plate or on a marble where will not catch fire to other part of the house. You understand? Then you will just carry the shell like this. You see, how do you make onion shells? You buy some onions, like tiny ones like this. They dehydrate faster than the big ones like this. But the big ones, when they are dehydrating, you can be getting the shell from the skin, from the back. But if you buy a smaller one like this, you keep them, don't use them to cook, just keep them. They will dehydrate like this. You can get the shells. And you can also go to the market where they sell onions and ask them to give you the shells. Yes. Just when you get home, make your fire, then say your intention. Remember, this particular one is to attract money. Attract money into your life. Are you doing business? Are you working in an office? Even if you're working in an office, and you are depending on salary, don't worry. Yes. Because some people, they say, me, I'm a civil servant too. I'm a civil servant. Even if I do these things myself, with my salary increase, that is how you will keep that mind and you will die in abject poverty. Who told you that civil servants cannot become billionaires? By the time you're doing these things now, God will jolt your brain. to think of something that is way that will fetch you money more than that civil servant job that you are doing. Something that is safe, that does not contradict your career. And you begin to do these side jobs. And before you know it, you will see yourself there. So nothing is impossible to them that believe. Poverty is of the mind. Impossibility is of the mind. Possibility is of the mind. If you believe that this thing is possible, it will be possible to you. But if you don't believe that this thing is not possible, if you believe that this thing is not possible, hey, it will not be possible to you. So burn this thing in your house. Burn this onion in your house with the intention of attracting money. Yes. And you can even play a twist on it. Just the way you burn bay leaf. You can decide to just add, like now, you can just carry your marker pen and write the amount. Yes. Or you can just write money. Or you can write the kind of denomination that you want to attract. You understand? Write it. Then you burn it. As you burn it like this and the smoke goes up, it goes into the universe to bear you witness, whether you are ready or not. And because of this simple thing, you will not die. I've been telling us this thing, you guys think I'm joking. See, because of some certain prayers that you have done, you will not die. Because God will keep you alive to see the result of your prayers. Yes. Yes, it works. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel and just join this family. Let me do my eye for you. So please, join us here and you will not regret it, because here we make a lot of sense. Okay? So please, make it a date with us, because we upload video on daily basis. In fact, videos on daily basis. Okay? And we have over 500 videos that you can learn from. Okay? So make it a date with us. And I also have a TikTok handle or account. TikTok, yes. Medilock YouTube. That is my TikTok name. Yes. You can follow me up on my TikTok, and also learn few things from that place. Thank you and God bless. See you again in our next video. Bye.